Very good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? Good afternoon. So, today we will do the next part, that is the AI series going on. In this AI series, this is the day 4. Already we have completed from the syllabus. These are the topics are already done. What are the topics we did? In our first class, we did the overview of AI. And what are the questions, what are the algorithms are important for AI according to UGC NET and SET syllabus. That is our target. After that, on next day, I discussed all types of environment, agent, that theoretical area. Yesterday I covered the minimax algorithm and game tree. Alpha beta pruning, minimax algorithm, these topics are done yesterday. So today we will do knowledge representation in AI. Different types of knowledge representation we will do today. Okay? Yes. Very good afternoon all of you. Deepa, Bashanti, good afternoon. Those who are live here, good afternoon everyone. So can we start? I hope already everyone joined. This is all from here. Theoretical questions are coming. How we can represent the knowledge. That is the knowledge representation system. So those who are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell icon to get all the latest update and notification. And those who are old, please like, share, subscribe. Definitely like this video and share this video to all of your friends. Like and share is very important. Okay? Yes. So let's start. First of all, the knowledge representation. Why the representation of knowledge is required? Because we are human being, we have knowledge, we are storing in our brain. Whenever it's required, we are able to use that knowledge, right? Automatically we are able to use that knowledge. If someone is asking you some question or some problem happen or something required, you know that yes, it is here, I know, yes, according to my knowledge this will be the answer, or it is the problem you can do. If someone is asking you that do you know about this doctor, how to do, yes, I know that someone doctor is there. So already we are human being, we can store automatically knowledge, we can reuse that knowledge also. But when it is the machine, when it is about machine, for the machine, when the machine is there, then machine needs to represent the knowledge, because we have to store the knowledge in the machine. There will be the knowledge base. In the knowledge base means it is just like a database. In the database, I have to store the knowledge so that machine can utilize that knowledge to solve the problem, right? Now the thing is that how we should represent the knowledge so that that knowledge can be used. Anyhow, if I am dumping it, then machine cannot use it, right? So that's why it is required that what is the way how we can store the knowledge. For that, here we will learn the knowledge representation system. Okay? Yes? Okay. PDF, this is the 45 days crash course going on. It is the free crash course. You know that it is the free crash course going on in YouTube. In this channel only you can see the playlist is available. I promise that I will take 90 session for computer science, all the unit. Already I covered so many topics. Now it is AI is going on, that is also I am going to cover. So already in that playlist, already near about 80 videos already there. Remaining classes I am going to take and I will cover. If it can be more than 90 also. Initially my target was 90. It can be more than 90 also if required. But that is free of cost. Every day I am taking class, it is free. But those who need the PDF, if you need the PDF, then you can come to Unified Study app. In Unified Study app, in Unified Study website, the PDF is available. And now Super 20 discount is there. Diwali offer is going on Super 20 with Super 20 without any space. If you are using, then you will get 20% discount. So there is a course name is self name, same name, 45 days crash course. Actual price is 999. If you take that with Super 20, it will be 799, and with 799 you can avail all the 10 unit PDF, all 10 unit of computer science, unit 1 to unit 10, all the units I am going to upload here. Whatever classes are going here, for that classes I am uploading that video, and already so many PDFs are already uploaded. Those who need PDF, they can go for this one. With 799 you can take it. Okay, so this offer is going on only for Diwali offer. This Sunday, till this Sunday the offer will be there, and if you need, then you can take it. And those who want to join the PYQS course, PYQS for paper 1 and paper 2, both courses are going on. The combo batch is there, 2500. That 2500 you can take using that Super 20. You will get in 2000 rupees. Paper 1, paper 2, both you can avail. There will be a combo batch. You can go through it, and there is the combo batch. You can take it. Okay. So now come to the concept. What is the concept here? Complex problem is the better way. I want to represent the knowledge that I told. Knowledge that stored in the system is related to the world, its environment. It's stored in the system to prepare the system deal with the world to solve the problem. You want to solve the problem. Now, what is ontological engineering? Question came from here previously also. What is ontological engineering? Very important concept. Questions came already from here. A machine sound like a empty box unless the encoded some feature or the information. A machine is there, no information is there, no feature is there, so it is an empty box. Therefore, to make the valuable machine, we require to put the necessary knowledge. We have to put the necessary knowledge so that it can understand and able to do the right decision. This is called ontological engineering. How you are preparing the machine, how you are feeding the knowledge to the machine, that is called ontological engineering. Okay. There are 3 factors to put into the machine. What are the 3 factors? These theories are very, very important. First one is knowledge, next one is reasoning, next one is intelligence. Knowledge, reasoning, intelligence. Knowledge means the information related to environment is stored in the machine. That is called knowledge. What is reasoning? Reasoning means ability of the machine to understand the stored knowledge. Knowledge is there. See that. Some students are like that. Those who are collecting PDF only. So many students are there. Those who are collecting PDF only. They are asking, ma'am, give me PDF. They are thinking that if I am taking PDF, then my all learning will be done. But ultimate fact is that after collecting so many PDF, because my classes, in my whatever PDF I am giving, each and every subject PDF, sometimes 500 pages, 800 pages PDFs are also there. I can give you guarantee that if you are not watching classes properly, then through the PDF you cannot understand everything. It is not possible. Something you will be able to understand, but everything you will be not able to understand. You have the collection of PDF, you have the database, you have the knowledge, but you don't know how to utilize the knowledge. Even also some students are like that. Yes, those who are watching video, those who have knowledge, you know the concept. Concept is very clear to you. But after clearing the concept also, if I am asking MCQ, we will be not able to solve. Because concept is there, but you don't know how to solve the problem. That is called reasoning. For that, the reasoning skill is required, and reasoning skill is coming by solving problem, more problem, more problem. When you are solving more problem, then your reasoning skill will be improved. That is fact. It is a fact, and that's why That's why the machine also need the reasoning, how to utilize the knowledge. The machine understand the stored knowledge, and the intelligence is also required, the ability of the machine to make the decision on the basis of stored information. Now in exam hall, when you are going, in my class so many practice sessions are going on. Every day we are practicing question. All PYQs we are solving. Now some students are expecting that those who took the paid course, every day normally we are doing 20 to 30 questions every morning. Every morning 5:30 am to 7 am I am taking class. They are near about 20 to 30 question every day we are practicing. Now their expectation is that yes, after completion of this course, so many question solving will be done. Near about at least 1000, more than 1000 question solving will be done. Now if you are asking those 1000 questions, they will be able to do. Some students are like that. But if little bit different, definitely you cannot expect that whatever question you are doing, same question will come to exam. No. Same type of question, same type of concept will come to exam. Now you have to know that yes, same type of one question I did, so I need to solve in this way only. Just for example, RSA algorithm of networking. There is P value, Q value, with different PQ value you solve it. Now in exam hall they will provide a different PQ value. So that is you need to understand, right? Okay, I know the steps, I will apply that. Some little bit change. Maybe you did a matching question, now that matching they change to statement. Little bit changes are there. It can be happen. That's why, and it is obviously it will be happen. Out of 100 question, don't expect that same question will be copied. They will create the new question, and that's why you need the intelligence that how to take the decision, how to make the decision on the basis of stored information. That is true for human being also, and that is true for machine also. A machine will be able to solve the problem. How well, how much good machine it is, that is depending on it is able to do that. You are able to store the knowledge, machine have that reasoning skill, and machine have that intelligence also. These are the three statements are very important. Statement type question can come from here, and even also matching type question can also come from here. This is called knowledge, this is called reasoning, and this is called intelligence. Is that clear to everyone? Yes, these theories, today's theories are very important. I am telling you, from here high chance you can get question. So you can see that this is the knowledge base agent, that is a robot here. Now I should jump or not? Here is a dig. Like that the robots are there in the moon. After landing on moon surface, the Chandrayaan robot, these robots are now moving. Now in the moon surface is not the plain surface. There are some dig can be there. There are so many problems can be happen. Robot have to take the decision. The robot will ask itself only that should I jump or not. Who will answer? There is no one to answer. Ultimate decision robot have to take, that I should go or not. That is the reasoning. This reasoning skill is required. Okay. So what are the properties of knowledge representation? What are the properties of a knowledge representation system? These statements are also very important. Representational adequacy, inferential adequacy, inferential efficiency, and acquisitional efficiency. Now what is that? By listening it looks like same, all are looking same, but it is not same. What is representational adequacy? It is the ability of the system to present all kind of knowledge need in a specific domain. You are able to represent all knowledge in a specific domain, that is representational adequacy. Inference means P implies Q, that is a inference, right? Inference means the ability of the knowledge representation system to manipulate the current stored knowledge so that newly gained knowledge could be added. I am giving you P. Now from the P you are able to imply Q. Means from the given knowledge the machine is able to do the new knowledge, able to add the new knowledge. That is called inferential adequacy. Inferential efficiency. It is the ability of the system to directly add a new knowledge. It is directly, it is not like that you are utilizing a previous knowledge. Without you are utilizing the previous knowledge, you are inference. Through the inference you are trying to get a new one. But inferential efficiency automatically, not from the previous one. It is completely new knowledge. Add new knowledge in the system with the efficiency. Directly, not inference. No inference is there. Directly it is adding, that is called inferential efficiency. Accusational efficiency, what it is? Accuse it. It is able to do. So ability of the system to automatically acquire the new knowledge from the environment. It will learn from the environment. It will acquire the knowledge from the environment, leads to the system to give more productive result as more knowledge added up to the current knowledge. It is moving on the environment. From the environment it is collecting the knowledge and it is adding the knowledge. That is called accusational efficiency. Is that clear to everyone? Tell me what I told. Tell me in the write down in the chat box what is the meaning of representational adequacy, inferential adequacy, inferential efficiency and accusational efficiency. Write down in the chat box everyone. What is the meaning? What you understand? What is the meaning of these 4 types I told you, right? So these 4 statements, what you understand, write down in the chat box everyone. And another one is also what is knowledge, what is reasoning, what is intelligence. These words are very very important. These are the basic words that are very very important. Tell me in the chat box everyone. I can see those who are present here. Deepa, Vashanti, Minachi, Geeta, Ritu, Soumya, Sathiya, Sri Ramaya, Ammu, Full Moon, Kishore, Lakshmi, Monica, Jivita, Poonam, Bhavani, tell me. Represent all kind of knowledge needed in a specific domain. Yes, that is representational adequacy. Then domain knowledge is not. It can represent the all knowledge of the domain. All are representational, guys. Representational adequacy, ability to represent all kind of knowledge in the domain. Yes. Efficiency, directly. IE means inferential. No. Inferential adequacy. Gain knowledge. From how? Understanding. Achha, I can see VG Lakshmi. Representational adequacy, all kind of knowledge. Inferential adequacy, current stored system manipulation. Inferential adequacy directly add new knowledge. Acquisition automatically new knowledge. No, no, no. Exact answer I am not getting from anyone. Acquisitional efficiency acquire. Bashanti. Presentation specific domain inferential adequacy add new knowledge from the previous knowledge. Inferential efficiency new knowledge. Acquisitional new knowledge. Yes, Bashanti is giving a correct answer. Very good. Exact point you have to tell me. Exact points you have to remember. That is the representational adequacy, all kind of knowledge needed. It is the ability of the system to represent all kind of knowledge is not. Represent all kind of knowledge. For a specific, the representation ability is there. Ability to represent the knowledge. That's why representational adequacy. Inferential means P implies Q, that I told. From the given knowledge, it is able to imply the new knowledge. Inferential efficiency directly add new knowledge. Directly it can add. Acquisitional efficiency is new knowledge from the environment. These are the keywords. These are the keywords you need to tell me. And these are the keywords you need to write down also. Because when in exam question will come, you will be confused otherwise. If they are giving matching, you will be confused. Okay? Yes. Now see that technique used for knowledge representation. What are the techniques? This is also very important. Propositional logic, first order logic. First order logic means that is predicate logic. Predicate logic we already did and you know that. How propositional logic is working, how predicate logic is working, this topic already we covered in this course. Must watch. Those who are watching only AI, go to the 45 days crash course. In this video only description you can get the link, or you can come to the home page. You can see 45 days playlist is available. There I cover this discrete math part. It is under discrete math, so it is there. You can watch. Other subjects are also there. Try to complete all other subjects. Okay. Next one is the rule based. So that's why I am not covering this two. And this two is already done. You know already. Another one is rule based, semantic, frame and script. How these are working. What is rule based, what is semantic, what is frame, what is script. That I am going to tell you. And the basic idea of logic is that propositional logic is working like propositional calculus, statement logic, sentential logic, like true false way it will work. Predicate logic, there exist quantifier, there are the quantifier, existential quantifier, universal quantifier, there exist for all. That is the representation. Rule based. What is rule based? Rule based means in this one, the rule over the propositional logic or first order logic technique, that is if then clause. If this, then do this, else do that. That is called the rule based system, where if else conditions will be there. Here you can see, if there is two variable a and b, value of both variable a and b is true, then do this one. That is if else condition. So rule based is working with if else condition. Okay, if else condition. Next one is the semantic network. How semantic network is working? Semantic network is the knowledge system form of a graph. You will represent the knowledge system as a form of a graph, graphical representation, where nodes of the graph represent the object which exist in the technique. Okay, in the real world, object is the real world and arrow represent the relationship between the object. Nodes are the object and arrow are the relationship between the object. Okay, how it is? You can see here is a semantic. Like this type of example also they are giving. They can give you this type of graph. From this graph they are asking ki, okay, from this graph what type of knowledge you are getting. This type of question also can ask. So you can see here RAM is the, what I told, that nodes of the graph are object, right? So RAM is a object, boy object, 12 years object. Now we are making the relationship. Ram has a cycle. Ram is a 12 years old boy. Ram is a boy. Ram is 12 years old. The cycle has the bell and the cycle has 2 paddles. So from this semantic representation, what are the information we are getting? Ram has a cycle. Ram is a boy. Cycle has a bell. Ram is 12 years old and cycle has 2 paddles. These are the information we are getting from this graph, and it is what type of representation? Semantic representation. Semantic means graphical representation. Is that clear? Is this clear? This is important. I am telling you, from here questions are coming. They can ask you question, very important. Is it clear to everyone? Next one is the frame. This is also next important. How the frame representation is working like. The knowledge stored via slots and filler. From here questions came already. What is slots? What is filler? Where we are using slot filler? Slot filler we are using in frame. Okay, as we have seen in the DBMS, it is the way of like DBMS, ER diagram. It is just like the ER diagram representation. In ER diagram we saw that the entity are there, right? So the slots are the entities and filler are the attribute. Just like the ER diagram representation way we are representing here. Okay, so slots are the entities here and filler are the attributes. They are together stored in a frame. So the machine infer how? Here is the example. Tom is a dog having 1 tail. How we can represent? Tommy. Tommy species value equals to dog. So Tommy is a dog. Feature value equals to tail. What feature Tommy have? That is the tail. So from here we can infer this knowledge that Tommy is a dog and having 1 tail. That is the feature of the Tommy. How the question are coming? They can provide you this one. It is this one. Then they will ask you 4 options. Ki what will be the correct answer from this frame, from this representation, what knowledge you are getting. So this is the way how you can represent, and if the representation is given, then how to get the statement. This is the way how to get it. Is that clear? So employee, entity or object, like employee name is the attribute. So slots are the entities and filler are the attributes. Clear? Is that clear? Next one is the script representation. Script means what? It is an advanced technique over the frame where here the information is stored in a form of script. How? The script stored in the system contain all the required information and system infer the information from the script for solving the problem. Okay. So here this is called the script representation. It is the little bit higher level than the frame. So what are the challenges? Here the important attributes need to be identified. Some basic attribute were occurring almost every problem in the domain. Relationship, what will be the relationship? That is also a challenge. The important relationship exists between the attribute. Choosing the granularity. Granularity means how much detailed knowledge is needed for to be represented. That is also a confusion can come. Ki what I should represent, what not. How much extent we have to represent. Set of object. How to represent the set of objects. And finding the right structure. The information is stored in a large amount because it is not a small one line, two line. There are so many lines need to represent. So the question is how to access the relevant information out of the whole. It is a whole database. It is a whole representation, big area. Out of them the exactly whatever required, how I can get it. So these are the challenges and problem. This one is script. Okay, this one is script. And another one is strip. Don't be confused. Script is different, strip is different. Script is little bit advanced version of frame. It is the advanced version of frame only. But the strip is different. It is strip. S-T-R-I-P-S. Strips. From here already question came. Strip is a action centric representation where it is focusing on which type of action it is going to take, which for each action specific when the action can be and effect of the action, when you can take the action, when the machine will take the action, and what will be the effect of the action. That's why it is called as action centric representation. What is the full form? Stanford Research Institute problem solver, because from that institute it invented, that's why. To represent the following problem in strip divided into the feature and describe into this. What is that? Primitive and derived feature. Two features are there, primitive and derived. Okay. So the strip representation used to specify the values of the primitive feature. Primitive means basic, priority, high priority. These are called primitive. These are mandatory. Like that you can think. Primitive feature or the basic feature, state based on the previous state and action taken by the agent. The definition clause are used for determining that and derive that primitive feature. Okay, so these are the strip representation. The precondition of the set of assignment will be there, effect will be there. So ultimate, what should be the precondition for the action, when you can take the action, and after the action what will be the effect, after effect. That is also it is focusing, because it is focusing on only action. Okay, clear? All these are clear. So here you can see a question and tell me what you understand about what are the different type of knowledge representation system. How many knowledge representation systems are there? Write down in the chat box. And what you understand about that representation system. The main keyword. What is the main keyword? How the way we are representing. The main keywords are important of each and every knowledge representation system. Write down the understanding. Write down your understanding in the chat box, everyone. Yes, this is the action centric representation. Very good. Now tell me, write down your understanding in the chat box. What are the different types of knowledge representation system you learn, and what are the main keyword of that knowledge representation system? Your revision will be done. Precondition and effect. I am telling you according to that knowledge based system. Yes, this is the name. and this is the things, this is the way we are representing. That is I need to know. Like an example, semantic, graphical representation. Like this way you have to write. One example I took, semantic, it is graphical representation. Other than that, there are other representation also. All those representation, what you understand, what are the main basic idea, how we can represent, write down in the chat box everyone. Write down in the chat box everyone. I am waiting for your answer. Yes. So here you can see this is the discount going on, 20% discount on Unify Study. You can apply this Super 20 to get the discount, to get this offer. You can come to the paid course. Under the paid course you can go for the batch. There is the batch, combo batch is there, combo batch, and you can install Unify Study app in your mobile. Graph base, frame representation, entity and attribute, propositional, true false, first order, predicate logic, predicate and quantifier. Yes, this is the combo batch. I will suggest go for this combo. Paper 1, paper 2 both will be available to you, and 2500 it is showing, but after applying Super 20 you can get 2000. In 2000 if you are taking this batch, then these both courses will be automatically available to you. That is this PYQS course and this PYQS course, paper 1, paper 2 both will be automatically available to you. This both, from this combo you will be able to available both. 2000 rupees you can get everything. And if you need only PDF, whatever classes are going on, this is the PDF. Here if you are applying Super 20, then 799 rupees you can take it. Okay, so these are the offer going on, and other than that the free PDF, free classes are also there. Free courses, you can definitely join the free courses on this app, and I will suggest you can download this app and you can use it, because here you will get so many free content also. Here you can come and you can get so many free content. You can see UGC NET paper 1 free course, practice course, group discussion also we will do here. Whenever your learning will be done, then group discussion is the most important part. And another way is that free mock test. Here so many free mock tests, UGC NET computer science mock test, daily data interpretation DI mock test, daily reading comprehension mock test. So many free material are also available. You can come to study material, you can see the free PDFs. Here the free PDFs are there. Here you can see the printable notes with very less charges, it is also there. Free class notes also I am uploading here. So definitely install Unify Study app in your mobile. Install it in your mobile everyone. Okay, ठीक है. Propositional logic, calculus, statement, if then, graph, frame, slot and filler, script, advanced technique over frame, then strip. What was the strip? So these all the knowledge system you learn here. These are the different types of knowledge system: strip, script, frame, semantic and rule based, propositional logic and predicate logic. These all are the knowledge based system. From here theories can come. Okay, bye everyone, see you again tomorrow, and tomorrow we will do the next topic. As we are doing one by one topic, tomorrow we will do the next topic of AI, 3 p.m. and 6:45 p.m. there is a schedule of MCQ as the MCQ solving going on. 6:45 we will do the MCQ solving. Okay. Yes, action centric. Strip is the action centric. Very good. Very good everyone. I hope you like this video. Like, share, subscribe everyone, and happy Diwali. Enjoy your Diwali. Tomorrow evening class will be not there. Tomorrow Diwali. Tomorrow you don't want to take class? Tomorrow 3 p.m. Diwali will be there. Tomorrow 3 p.m. Diwali will be there. You will not come? Evening Diwali is there, but 3 p.m. what you will do? Tell me. Tomorrow 3 p.m. what you will do for Diwali? Puja, that is in morning. Evening, crackers, lights, candles, all. That is so in evening. But tell me in 3 p.m. what is the work for Diwali? 3 p.m. What work? Work are there. What work? What type? I had also work. Today we have also ritual. Evening class I will not take. But 3 p.m. class, what is that? 3 p.m. What is the problem? I had also work. Today morning I did puja. After that, this is our ritual in Bengali. 14 types of leaves. We are calling it shak. 14 types of leaves. Leafy vegetables. Leaf. Ultimately leaf. All types of that we have to cook. So 14 types of leafy things to wash it, to clean it, to cook it, and 8 types of vegetable to fry. That is our tradition, and I did it by myself. By myself I did it, and with that a dal and all. So that I also make it this all, and after that I came to class. I have also work. I am also doing. I am also following all ritual, everything, all the work I have also. There is no one that they will do for me. Okay. So puja, evening preparation, whole the day what you will do? 21 types vegetable in Tamil Nadu. Achha, we have 14. We have 14. We have 14. ठीक है. हाँ. 5:45 I will not take. No to it. No, don't worry. Evening class no. Morning class. Morning 5:45 a.m. Diwali over. अच्छा. Okay. हाँ. So those who will be busy, they don't. If one student will also come, then I will also teach. If no one will come, then I will also come live. I will teach and I will go. If no one is there, then also I will come live. I will teach. I will go. Because recording will be available. Okay. ठीक है. I think 3 p.m. you can manage. After doing work, 3 p.m. we can manage. Right. Morning to definitely. Morning class is there. Paid course I will take. Morning class is there. Morning 5:30 class is there. 5:30 I will take the paid course. 5:30 to 7:30 I will take the class. Yes. So then after that I will take 3 p.m. class also. Evening class I will not take. That is okay. Evening class there will be no class. Evening celebrate your Diwali. I will not tell you to come to the class. ठीक है. 3 p.m. tomorrow पक्का. Okay. Diwali will be great. Next Diwali you can celebrate more. It will bright your light. Okay. Diwali means it is the festival of lightning, right? So you want to bright yourself. You want to lightening your life. You will light your home. You will bright your home. But you are not happy with your life. Is that good? Rather than that, you will learn something. After learning, you will crack the exam. Next Diwali, मस्ती से मनाओ. नेक्स्ट दिवाली मस्ती से मनाओ ना. Next Diwali you can celebrate in more good way. Lots of light and brightness in your life will be there. Yes. डबल धमाका दे दो, जितना सारा है उसको कर लो, डबल धमाका कर लो नेक्स्ट टाइम. But this year exam is coming. Think about that. Exam is there. Right? So we have to think about exam. Okay, chalo. Bye everyone. Bye. Think it. I will come to the class. Whatever you're thinking, you can do. Bye. Bye. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.